Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I hope you all feel amazing today, as you should. Today we're gonna be creating a brand identity and logo design for a client from the website 99 Designs. It is like a theater and coffee kind of situation where the people can drink coffee and watch theater at the same time. So I will take it to my screen right away. We will get started now and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I have this concept in my head where I want the main logo to be kind of clean and modern and simple, but I want to do some effects with the background elements. So I will take care of the kerning of the words a little bit. As I said, I will keep the logo pretty much simple, and you will see in a minute what I will do with the background elements. As this is a coffee shop, I chose some beans to be included in the logo. The client also wanted to use some brown and green colors, so I will implement them as well. And I will speed this up a little bit because if I don't, the video is gonna take forever. And I'll be back soon. I don't usually do this, but this time for this specific client, I sent him 3 logo of variations. I say I don't usually do this because in my typical work, I usually send my clients 2 logo examples and variations the maximum, because I think that when a person sees around, I don't know, 3 or 4 or 5 different examples of a logo, they tend to feel a bit overwhelmed, and I think that they will find problems in the logos that are not there, just because they have a lot of options to choose from. So this specific client asked me for 3 different variations, so I did my job and sent them to him. But typically I wouldn't advise you to send more than 2 logo variations. Right now I will take care of the company pattern, and I will quickly do a coffee mug mockup, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, we got to the end of the video. I really hope you like how everything turned out. This was a bit of a different brand identity approach of my typical ones, but as I said, it's for a client and we can always do the same thing. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below, and if you want to see some more brand identity videos from me, feel free to click here. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.